It is so yummy. If you just want a nice snack and not the guilt, then this is definitely the keto snack that you need to go to. But first, if you're new to Sincerely Legenia and you have not yet subscribed, go on and click that subscription button and click the notification bell right next to it. I'd love for you to be a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. All right, let's get right into this video because you are gonna wanna make these tonight. Hey everybody, welcome back to Chicken Bites. I'm in a hurry. Oh, it is a beautiful... cauliflower into bite-sized pieces, and your cauliflower pieces should look about like this. Okay? All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, this recipe is so extremely easy. The first thing we're gonna do is add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. All right, we're gonna give this a stir. And now we're going to just dump it on our baking sheet here and make sure we spread it out evenly, get all of that goodness out of this bowl. We want all of that to bake into this cauliflower. Make sure you spread it out good so that every piece cooks evenly. Just like that. Now we're gonna put this in our 475-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until nice and golden brown. Our cauliflower bites are ready, and you guys, these smell so good. Okay, it's time to taste our popcorn cauliflower. Guys, this is delicious. It smells so good. Yeah, I've already been munching on it. It's absolutely delicious. Make sure when you get it out of the oven, you serve it while it's hot. Okay? You guys, the turmeric and the Parmesan cheese. It's so good. So when you want a snack, can't munch on chips, can't munch on popcorn, that sort of thing, these right here will definitely satisfy. They're salty, savory, and just really yummy. And then some of them, they'll get like that bit of caramelization. Let me find one like that one. See that bit of caramelization there? So that gives it a bit of a chew. Okay. This is another good one. You guys know I'm not gonna steer you wrong. Try this. I promise you are gonna love it. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. This popcorn cauliflower is really, really delicious, and I hope you get a chance to give it a try. If you do, leave a comment below and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to hit that subscription button if you have not yet subscribed to Sincerely Legenia, and go on and hit the notification bell next to it so that you'll know every time I upload any fabulous keto recipes. Have a blessed and prosperous week, and I'll talk to you next time. Sincerely, Legenia. Bye.